I'm Florian. I'm part of the Siemens battery solutions team, and here showcasing innovative topics from Siemens. We're specifically showcasing solutions for coating, so coating of the wet film, so the slurry on the current collectors. Showcasing actually two solutions. I'm responsible for one of those. Our solution is called Electrode Coating Autopilot, and I would say it's a combination of different Siemens solutions already, and part of the Siemens ecosystem of the industrial edge. And we're providing here infos on our current solution, which achieved our sales release some days ago, and also on a outlook on further versions, so the same version in the future, and also want to gather feedback from customers, clients, and see in which direction it goes, if they support our use case, and obviously if someone is interesting to commercially buy it or also is willing to participate in further pilot projects, because we're also trying to evaluate, so to say, a technical and also the business side of things with pilot projects. Quite interesting, I would say. So, as said, it's the first time that I've been here as an exhibitor. Up front, I've just been visitor. It's interesting, an interesting experience standing at the booth and handling all kind of questions. So really general questions like, hey, Siemens, there's a guy with a washing machine. Maybe not directly. Up front, really specific industry-related questions. So that is quite interesting. But also the conversations. That's, I would say, extremely valuable, because it's a face-to-face conversation, and despite this Teams, remote, whatsoever trend, it's something fundamental that needs to be done, I would say, in such product creation processes, to have face-to-face conversations with customers, because we learn much more than informal meetings. The actually real interesting thing is that, as I said, I worked before in consulting for battery, and it feels like a reunion part-wise, I would say. So a reunion from school or something, because I meet a lot of former colleagues, clients, they pass by, let's have a coffee, let's have a chat, even if it does not directly lead to a revenue or something. It's super informative what they're doing. They shift companies, they shift maybe also the region where they work, but it's extremely valuable to have these kind of connections, to see what is ongoing versus struggling, what is going well, what is not going well, and also on a personal level. So I really love to be here, and it's always a personal highlight for me, not just pitching your solution, it's also these conversations. Yeah, I think it's necessary to have a certain kind of curiosity. So you need to be quite. This industry is developing extremely fast. Yeah, there are a lot of stuff that is tried out, some stuff that works, sometimes it does not work. So you need to have this kind of curiosity, and also understand that not everything will lead to a huge product and everything. There are a lot of things that will not work. Companies will go bankrupt. That's normal. Be aware of that, but if you stay within this, if you have this level of curiosity, so to say, you will come over this, and that makes also this industry quite interesting, I would say. That differentiated this industry enormous from other industries. That it's always about not renewable energies, it's also about renewable new ideas, so to see, refreshed ideas, and also ideas that are maybe calibrated and adjusted a bit, and then really provide a benefit. Innovative, yeah.